The designer is a full visual canvas inside Zoney. Think of it like Canva, but built directly into the same platform where your campaigns, projects, and players live. You can use Designer to create promo cards, announcement banners, information screens, social posts, and one-off graphics. Every design you save becomes a reusable asset. You can add it to a campaign, embed it in a project, or share it with your team. To get started, click Designer at the top. On the left, you'll see Create Design, where you can choose the size for your design. On the right, you'll see Pre-Made Templates and My Designs, where your saved designs are stored. Let's create a new design. First, choose the size you want to use. Once the design opens, you'll see the canvas in the center and a toolbar on the left-hand side. Let's review the options in the left toolbar. The first option is My Designs. This is where you can access your saved designs as well as any shared designs available to you. Next is Content. Content shows the images and videos you've uploaded to your library, so you can easily add them to your design. The Templates section includes pre-made templates you can choose from and edit. You can also search for a specific style or layout if you have something in mind. The Text section lets you add text to your design. You can choose the text size, font, and style, then place it anywhere on the canvas. The Photos section includes preloaded images you can search through and add to your design. The Icons section lets you search a large icon library by keyword. For example, you can search for people, arrows, food, technology, or other categories. Once an icon is added to the canvas, it works like an image. You can resize it, recolor it, rotate it, and move it wherever you need. The Shapes section includes geometric shapes such as rectangles, circles, triangles, lines, arrows, stars, hearts, call-out bubbles, and frames. After adding a shape to the canvas, you can adjust the fill color, stroke width, corner radius, and opacity from the toolbar. The Draw tool lets you draw freehand on the canvas using your mouse or trackpad. You can choose the color and stroke width, then draw directly on the design. This is helpful for accents, highlights, signatures, or annotations. The Background section controls the backdrop behind everything on the page. You can choose a solid color, enter a custom hex code, or select a background image from the gallery. The Layers section lists every element on the current page. Layers are organized from front to back, so you can control which elements appear on top of others. You can drag layers up or down, hide or show individual layers, and select elements that may be hard to click on the canvas. The Resize option lets you change the canvas dimensions after you've already started designing. You can choose a new preset or enter a custom width and height. Then, you can decide whether to stretch the elements, keep them at their current size, or scale them proportionally. The Quotes section includes a built-in quote library. You can click a topic to browse quotes, or use the search box to find quotes by keyword. The QR code tool lets you create a QR code from any URL or text. Type or paste your link into the input field, click Generate, then add the QR code to the canvas. The Videos section includes stock video clips. You can search by keyword and drag a video clip onto the canvas. Once you add content to the canvas, a toolbar will appear across the top. The options in this toolbar depend on what you have selected. For example, if you select text, you'll see text editing options. If you select an image, icon, or shape, you'll see options related to that type of element. At the top, you'll also have Undo and Redo. Depending on what you are editing, you may see options for color, size, effects, animation, and more. If you click Effects, the available effect options will open on the left. If you click Animate, the animation options will open on the left as well. You may also see AI Write, which gives you drop-down options to help generate or edit text. Toward the right side of the toolbar, you'll see additional options such as Position, Transparency, Lock, Duplicate, Delete, and Copy Style. The Position option gives you controls for arranging an element on the canvas. Transparency lets you make an element more or less visible. Lock keeps an element from being moved or changed by accident. Duplicate creates a copy of the selected element. Delete removes the selected element from the design. Copy style lets you copy the look of one element and apply it to another. Above the canvas, you'll also see the Save button. Once your design is finished, click Save to store it in My Designs. At the bottom, you'll see the zoom controls. You can zoom in to work on small details or zoom out to view the full design. That's an overview of the Designer. Designer gives you everything you need to create, customize, and save screen-ready graphics in one place.